In this video, we'll look at how to set up your first trigger action. And this again is under the admin section, under automation, we'll go to trigger action. So what we're going to do here is we have a date field on our opportunity called date created, and we want to set it to today's date, to the current date. So we're going to add a trigger action, and we'll label it set date created today. And we always try to label these so that it works in our if this then that phrase. So this will be if whatever our condition is going to be, then set date created today. So, and for what data object type do we want this action to run? Because you could have more than one data object type in your system. Here we've only got the one, but we're going to set it to opportunity. Then these items here are our payloads, which we'll come on to in another video, but we've got email action, field action, HTTP post, contact action, and SMS action, but we'll skip those for the moment. We'll just set up a simple trigger action here. Now we have to say on the contact relationship, well, for which relationship do we want this action to run? Well, we want to run it for the client. And then what are we going to do? So in this instance, you can have multiple fields here. You can set multiple fields at the same time. I'm only going to set one, and it's date created that I want to set. And then all I need to do is set it to today, because that way it will then, whenever it runs, it'll set it to that date, to whatever the date is. So I can save that. And that's now where I've set up my basic trigger action. So you can see we've given it a name. Which data object type does it relate to? Which contact relationship does it relate to? And then what's the action we actually want it to take? So it's going to update that field. So that is a basic setup of a trigger action.